In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use the double tap feature on the iPhone 15, which allows you to interact with your phone through a simple double tap gesture on the back of your device. This feature is part of the back tap functionality introduced by Apple to make it easier to perform common actions without even unlocking your phone. To get started, open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down and tap Accessibility. From there, tap Touch, and then select Back Tap at the bottom of the list. You'll see two options, double tap and triple tap. Select double tap, and you'll be presented with a list of actions you can assign to the gesture. These include taking a screenshot, opening the control center, launching the camera, muting the phone, and more. For example, I've set the double tap to open the camera, so whenever I double tap the back of my iPhone, it opens the camera app instantly. It's a highly customizable feature that can save you time and make your iPhone experience more efficient. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel and will help me making more videos like this.